What's up, homies? Today I got this Cello box of 1718 Prizm Basketball. Should be a really exciting break. Inside this box there are 12 packs, and packs actually are really interesting because inside each pack there is actually four other packs. So 3 packs regular Prizm retail packs with Kyrie Irving on the cover. Actually, the Cavaliers uniform would fit like the background color much better, but we can't do anything to that. And then there is one extra pack which has 3 cards inside, and these cards are like special blue, red, and white parallels, which are exclusive to this Cello packs, or like hanger packs. So let's check this. Well, this was a super long rip, so let's get started with this red, blue, and white parallels, which are specific to the Cello packs. And as you can see, this year they have this funny checkerboard design. I think last year they didn't have it, so looks like really cool. So Alfred Payton, who got like a hair friend in terms of Jonathan Isaac, to Orlando this year. Joe Johnson, a long-term Jersey Ned and Atlanta Hawk. And actually this guy shouldn't be in the set anymore because he was fired. And Jonathan Simmons and Nikola Jokic. And a rookie card of a local guy, Frank Ntilikina. He is of course not Dennis Smith Jr., but I think he gets his speed up after the injury, so it might not be a bad card. And another rookie, although not as hot rookie as Ntilikina, but still Harry Gilles. So the best pulls out of the best red, blue, and white cards are, of course, rookie cards of some hot rookies, but also star players, Don Howard, David West. They sell pretty well, not as well as silver Prizms, but this is, I think he's a brother of Steph Curry because he looks super similar. Which city is he? Yeah, I was looking if he's from Akron, Ohio, then for sure he would be the brother. Halil Okafor, who is actually not a Philadelphia 76er anymore, but a Brooklyn Net. I really like this old school Cavs uniform. That's really strange, with this set. So Kyrie is in Cavaliers uniform on the card, but in Celtics uniform on the pack. What's going on, Panini? And Nicholas Batum, Dorian Finney-Smith, Reggie Bullock, Brook Lopez, with the symbol of Brooklyn Nets, but is not anymore. Tyronn Lue, Cristiano Felicio, T.J. Warren, Terry Stotts, Kawhi Leonard, the only man in the league who can stop LeBron James, Al Horford, Sean Kilpatrick, Mike Conley, who's usually overpaid, Scott Labissiere, Ken Bazemore, and Lou Williams. So the best cards out of this red, blue, and white packs, of course, the best card is, of course, Frank Ntilikina. A rookie card, and let's get back to regular Prizm cards. Justice Winslow, Greg Monroe, and Zach Collins, like a huge scrub, like draft. Is it like a Prizm? No, it's drafted 10th overall, but like he's averaging something like 0.1 points per game, like the textbook definition of a scrub. Oh my god, like Dennis Smith Jr. Not a Prizm, but still, like after like Collins, that's a great rookie card. And he's getting a lot of responsibility in, that's a silver of Troy Williams. Dennis Smith Jr. is getting a lot of responsibility in Dallas, so that's really cool. Deonte Davis, Klay Thompson, Derek Favors. I'm not sure who is he making any favors to. Fred Hoiberg, like the worst coach in the NBA. No, but like obviously not the worst coach, because with the material Chicago has, like nobody could do any better than him. Like the first overall draft pick guaranteed, Thon Maker, the symbol of Sudan. Oh, and I think that's green parallel. This is like a retail specific parallel, not numbered as usual. So looks quite cool, I should say. Of course, like Rocky Green would be like the best hit, but still like Kevin Durant, Joel Embiid, and Eric Bledsoe. I think that's a silver Prizm. It is. Yeah, you can see it from this Prizm. A label at the top of Panini logo, and Josh Jackson, drafted 4th overall, but like I'm not sure he's playing. He's not playing nearly as well as, for instance, Dennis Smith Jr., who was drafted 9th overall, and Michael Carter Williams, and Dario Saric, a hot rookie from the last season. So there is a chance, I think, for autos in these packs, and there's like red parallel of Fred Hoiberg, Raymond Felton, also played several seasons for Knicks. Actually, I liked him for Knicks a lot, like he was one of the few Knicks players who was putting some real effort. And Get Hyped of that's like an appropriate name, because Anthony got a lot of hype both in Knicks and Oklahoma City Thunder, and I think that's Trevor Graham is this. But I really like this guy, although it's not a silver, like unfortunately not a silver, but like the first overall is the first overall, like so. Brett Brown, and oh my god, like and that's a silver card of Jonathan Isaac. Yeah, there's a sick hit out of this box. Silver like rookie card of Jonathan Isaac. Like so far it is the best hit of out of here. Nicholas Batum, Jamal Crawford, Kenny Atkinson, and Get Hyped of who? Joseph Nukric, Bosnian player, and Bojan Bogdanovic, another Bosnian player, Irsani Ilyasova, and Furkan Korkmaz. Yeah, there's also a silver parallel, but the problem, like, I don't know who is like Furkan Korkmaz. I think he only played in the Summer League because it's a Summer League uniform, but silver rookie is always a silver rookie. Dirk McDermott, Patrick McCaw, Kyle Korver, Lane Thomas silver, and Patrick Beverly. Okay, Ricky Rubio, a representative of the Spain in this box, and another green parallel of Nemanja Bilic. Actually, we are not getting a lot of green parallels. Usually you get like quite a bit of them. I think that's only second green parallel in this box. And Victor Oladipo. Actually, I think both like Oladipo and Sabonis benefited a lot from the trade to Indiana. like this represent Rudy Gay. I actually was googling like, is he gay or no? Like, and I didn't find the answer, but it would be actually good. And another rookie card of Zach Collins, because I think there are no openly gay players in NBA now, and that's definitely not good for LGBT community. Would like to see some of them, of their representatives on the court. Steve Adams, Marcus Smart, John Collins. That's actually a good Collins, although he was drafted 19th overall. Unlike John Collins, unlike this Portland Collins, he's actually scoring something like 12 points per game, so that's a good rookie. Wayne Selden Jr. and Jonathan Isaac, regular rookie. Caleb Swanigan and Steve Adams, along with Ben Simmons, a representative of Australia in NBA, and Josh Hart, regular rookie. Jason Tatum, regular rookie. That's also not a bad card, although it's not a Prizm, because Tatum is definitely in the contention. Tony Parker, fundamentals. TJ Leaf, a rookie card, and Kelly Olynyk, Wayne Selden Jr. So I got this box and a couple of loose packs from my local models. Oh my god! And another another hot card, silver of Lauri Markkanen. This first who is like carrying Chicago, like the only points Chicago is getting is because of Markkanen. Unbelievable. Yeah, like that's like a mega hot box, like Isaac silver and Markkanen silver. Oh my god. Yeah, that's hot. Like that's what that's like a box which I called like an iron hot box. Yeah, got it from my local model. So each pack, that is the pack which contains 4 packs inside, costs $9.99 plus tax. So not a bad value at all. For Korkmaz, Eric Bledsoe.